Kevin Costner's legal drama breaking down the Horizon, lawsuit, and accusations. Kevin Costner has been entangled in legal drama after being sued by a stuntwoman from the Horizon sequel. Devyn LaBella joined the Horizon sequel as the lead stunt double for Ella Hunt, who played Juliet. In May 2025, LaBella accused Costner of sexual discrimination, harassment, and creating a hostile work environment, while on set of Horizon and American Saga Chapter 2 years ago, according to a lawsuit obtained by Us Weekly. LaBella claimed that she was the victim of a violent, unscripted, unscheduled rape scene directed by Kevin Costner. On that day, I was left exposed, unprotected, and deeply betrayed by a system that promised safety and professionalism, LaBella alleged in a statement per The Hollywood Reporter. What happened to me shattered my trust and forever changed how I move through this industry. Costner vehemently denied the allegations via a statement made by his lawyer, Marty Singer. Kevin Costner always wants to make sure that everyone is comfortable working on his films and takes safety on set very seriously, the statement read. However, this claim by Devyn LaBella has absolutely no merit, and it is completely contradicted by her own actions and the facts. Keep scrolling for a full breakdown on Costner and LaBella's legal back and forth. Kevin Costner gets sued. 2 years after working together on the second installment of the Horizon franchise, LaBella filed a lawsuit against Costner, who was the film's director and leading man. LaBella claimed that she had to film an unscripted and unscheduled rape scene that was directed by Costner. According to the docs, Hunt refused to shoot the scene after she learned it would involve actor Roger Ivans violently raking up her skirt. Costner allegedly asked LaBella to stand in for Hunt. After completing the scene, LaBella claimed that she experienced shock, embarrassment, and humiliation while attempting to process the situation. LaBella also alleged that she was not hired back to continue her role or at all as a stunt double for Horizon 3 in 2024 after making a complaint about the incident. Kevin Costner denies the allegations. After news broke of LaBella's lawsuit, Costner denied the stunt performer's allegations via a statement made by his attorney. Singer also included a set of screenshotted text messages that were allegedly sent by LaBella following a dinner attended by LaBella, her supervisor, the stunt coordinator, and with the assistant stunt coordinator. LaBella was in good spirits and made no complaints to them. She continued to work on the movie for a few more weeks until her wrap date, the statement read. And she took the stunt coordinator to a thank you dinner. She also sent him a cordial thank you text illustrated with happy heart emojis, copy attached. Devyn LaBella amends her lawsuit. 1 month after filing her initial legal paperwork, Us confirmed that LaBella resubmitted the lawsuit that included text messages she allegedly exchanged with the film's intimacy coordinator the day after the alleged incident. I wanted to discuss yesterday's sick abomination when we both have a chance, LaBella wrote per the filing. I was put in a really wrong position, and it's really affected me. The intimacy coordinator replied to LaBella's message apologetically and offered to talk through it with her. Why was there no intimacy coordinator? LaBella claimed. Why was a stunt double doing this non-stunt work, especially given the sensitivity of it? Who was going to take responsibility for the abuse of power? The court docs claimed that the intimacy coordinator wrote an alleged incident report of LaBella's complaint. This was not a formal or uniform process. Ideally, apologies would be issued by Costner, the first AD, and others involved to both Ella and Devyn, the report read. Ella requested that the intimacy coordinator be brought back to provide support the following week. Production obliged. Devyn requested that production pay for her flight home that weekend so she could receive support from family and friends. Production obliged. Kevin Costner responds to new evidence. After LaBella submitted her amended lawsuit, Costner denied her new claims. LaBella was doing a rehearsal on an insert shot for a scripted scene. There was no intimacy or anything sexual in the shot, Costner's lawyer said in a statement to TMZ. There was tugging on a dress, while she was fully clothed in a dress with long bloomers lying down next to a male actor. The statement continued, numerous witnesses have contradicted LaBella's meritless claims. She herself texted her supervisor after she wrapped, stating, "Thank you for these wonderful weeks." Devyn LaBella fires back at Kevin Costner. After Costner broke his silence on the new allegations, LaBella accused the actor of trying to silence and discredit her. What happened to me on that set was a reckless violation, a breach of consent, and of basic workplace safety, LaBella claimed in a statement to us. I was told to lie down, and without warning or rehearsal, another actor was brought in to simulate a rape on top of me, she alleged. My undergarments were exposed. I was left alone afterward, overwhelmed and in shock. Compliance under pressure is not consent. Consent cannot be given after the harm has already begun. The statement continued. Once the line is crossed, there is no real choice left to make. I spoke up immediately, and for that, I was met with silence, deflection, and efforts to discredit me. This case is not just about what happened to me. It's about a broken system that protects those in power and punishes those who speak out. It's about demanding change, not just for me, but for everyone who deserves to work in safety and dignity. LaBella stood by her claims, sharing that she stood up and told the truth. I will never apologize for demanding the bare minimum to be treated like a human being at work, she concluded.